Here is where my Moroccan cooking experience began. He guided me on how to cut the potatoes and what the significance of all the ingredients are. Here we are beginning to pour the meal together. His wife came home, and one of the things that I noticed was how happy they were and how no fancy cooking gadgets were needed to cook this meal. And it was just such a freeing and exciting experience. Oh, this is when he really lit up. I think cooking is in his blood. He was so passionate about every moment of this little session here, and he was telling me again the significance of the ingredients and what it meant to the culture and how they source fresh food every day. They don't freeze any food, and anything that's left over they share with the community. I thought that was just, it was fantastic. I enjoyed the entire experience. I thought I would not enjoy this part of the meal because I'm not a big fan of eating pumpkin. But the way he prepared it, had I not been there to prepare it, I would have thought I was eating some sweet potatoes. It was so good. It wasn't sweet. It was perfectly sweet. It wasn't too much, wasn't too little. It really, the pumpkin tastes like sweet potatoes, like candied yams on, the holidays. What's important to know is that, at least in Medina Affairs, when you sign up for these private cooking classes, it's actually in someone's personal home. So I took great pleasure and care in this entire experience because they opened their door to a complete stranger from a whole different country into their personal home and share this very significant part of their culture. I will forever be grateful for this experience. He shared with me the details about how he met his wife. It was such a beautiful story. It was almost like they were meant to be together. They had only been married a short period of time, but you can't tell by the way they interacted and just observing how they moved about in the house. But it was such a sweet story, and I really enjoyed him sharing that personal story with me. So when we were sitting down coming up with the menu for the dinner, he asked me how did I want to prepare, and I had two choices. I could use the tagine, which is the normal pot that you used to seeing in Morocco, or I could use a pressure cooker. And I chose a pressure cooker because I figured that would be an easy way for me to recreate this meal at home because he did share with me the ingredients. While we wait for the food to cook, he suggested that I go up to the roof and watch the view. It's a couple floors up. It's very narrow steps, but I would know when I get to the top, and I would really enjoy the view from the roof.
Okay, ready?
We're ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Now we will check Let's go. So when the carrot start ready, that means the chicken is nearly ready. Okay, now we will jump.
He demanded that I take a seat and he served me my food like I was in a restaurant. It made him happy, so I obliged. It was so fun, and I encourage anyone, if you go to Morocco, have the local cooking experience. That's where the locals take you into their home, and actually, you go shopping with them, and you cook a meal from scratch. You go grocery shopping out to their food shopping mall, which is within the Medina, at least in Fez it is, and you shop for fresh foods, and you go through the entire cooking experience. I really enjoyed this, and this is something I'll probably do on my next trip. Goodness.
Now it's my turn to have my picture.
Oh my gosh, how am I going to eat all of that? Oh, that is
Don't please I
beautiful.
myself like the victim of cooking. It's your turn.
Oh my God, this is gorgeous. I can't eat all of this. This is beautiful. It looks so good. Yes. Oh my God. Okay.